Hi, welcome to Fermoy Nissan. This is the all-new Nissan Qashqai MHEV, so it's a mild hybrid electric vehicle. 1.3 turbo petrol, 140 brake horsepower, incredibly powerful and very efficient. This new model features full LED lights, 17-inch aerodynamic alloys, and it has rear parking sensors as well as a full color camera. Your smartphone will pair with the touchscreen built into the dash, and you've got AppleCarplay and AndroidAuto as standard as well. Advanced safety features include forward emergency brake. The radar system that's in this Qashqai actually monitors two vehicles in front of you. We can go through all that in full detail during a test drive here at Fermoy Nissan. Full photos on our website fermoynissan.ie.